You can see I took the model function, etc., and you can see I have made it the express server. You can see the listening port is 2000. The get request of this home of the home page will be is supposed to be, you know, as response it is supposed to send file, and this is the HTML file. You can see on the socket.io, you can see I took the server class out of the socket.io module. This is the server. With the server class I have made a socket.io object. The parameter, you can see it is the express server. Here you can see the namespace things. Out of this socket.io, you can see that socket.io.off, and this is the name path1, namespace path1, path2, path3, and each of them were assigned to different variables. And with each of these, you can see that each of those has a connection. On connect, they will send a message. In the string file, you can see that the path on, path 2, path 3, these strings are supposed to be sent. In the client side file, you can see here you can see some code. You can see I have taken the IO, and within that IO IO function, you can see the parameter is this, which is the same one as this one. Same name, same path1, you can see here, and you can see they are the same. And socket.io path1 dot on message. So when the message event happens, when this file is sent, right, when this string is sent with the send function on message, the string is supposed to be handled here. This mess parameter variable, function variable, you can see it is it is supposed to get this string. So, and that string is supposed to be assigned to the inner HTML of cpath. Cpath you can see this paragraph. The idea of it is cpath, so it is supposed to have that message, have that string, and you can see that there are several buttons. So if I click on path1 button, the p1 function is supposed to be executed. Within that p1 function, you can see that these codes are given here. So on receiving the message event, it is supposed to uh, print out a message which is given here, path1, and print a message which is given there. And what is this? You can, so when I click on path2 button, path2 is supposed to happen. When I give path1 is supposed to happen, and when I give path3, it is supposed to happen. So if I go here and access the localhost 2000, which is the server listening port 2000. So if I go here, go to the browser and say this, but as usual, maybe I'm not usual, but yeah, you can see I've forgotten to run this file. This happened multiple times, so so yeah, the server is running right now. And if I go to the browser and go here again, you can see that there are multiple buttons, path 1, path 2. So if I want to connect to path 3, click on path 3 and it says path 3, 2, 2, 1, 1. So you can see that I can do this with the button. Different things are happening.